Here's 5 things I do to buy back my time. First and foremost is I'm a guy that loves to have a clean fade at all times. So I actually have my barber coming to my house. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but in my eyes, it saves me so much time. I'd rather save the time, money, and energy and have them come to me. Second on the list is actually having my groceries delivered. Yes, I know it can be kind of fun to go to the grocery store from time to time. I'd rather just look on an app, see what they have in stock, browse through there, and order it whenever I please. Next is cleaning my apartment. So yes, I know it's important to have these skills myself, which I do, but I think it saves me at least 5, 6, 7 hours a month by having a maid or a housekeeper come in, clean my apartment, organize my closet, and do all these mundane tasks. Next, from a business perspective, is hiring someone that did research and a lot of my assistant work. So whether it's scheduling meetings, researching particular tasks or software that we should implement within the organization, I thought it was just really easy because those are important tasks to do, but at the same time, I know my time is more valuable to be allocated towards something like generating more revenue. Bonus is I actually sometimes get